Leibak Asigi Atei Mafamdapangthoknabagum Thoubal District Tasu Thoubal College Amadi Waikhom Girls College ANIDA Asigi Kungadareta National Sports Day ki PALAN PANGTHOKTUNA Leibak Asigi Prime Minister Narendra Modi ga NAHAROL Singh MAHEIROI Singh Amadi SANNAROI SINGGA HAKTHENGNANA WAARI SANNABAGI KHUDONGCHABA PIGADOURI Ngasi Thoubal College Thoubal da pangthokpa paugi mifam amada Mai Bharat Thoubal gi District Youth Officer Vishal Dakatna hai Bharat Lenga ki flagship program ama oiriba thoramasi Leibak Asigi Mafam lising amaga chatrukta pangthoktuna NAHAROL lak nipan roma saru yagadoribani District asigi oinasu Thoubal College amadi Waikhom Girls College da pangthokdaba sem saba loire Vikshit Bharat Yuvaka Next Sports Edition program asi Leibak Asigi inkhalakliba NAHAROL Singh SANNAROI Singbu platform amada pushinduna Leibak Asigi tungidamakta wakalon share taunanabagidamagta thamliba pandamni Maram asila numit asigi ayuk pung tara nangnanaba lakpiduna thoram asigi khudongchaba asi lauminasi haiki
Talking points. National Sports Day is celebrated on 29 August in honor of Major Dhyan Chand ji. This year, a special program is Khelo India Dialogue will be held on 27 August 2026. The program will be organized by NSS Unit SENCO, providing students and youth an opportunity to actively engage in the national sports and youth development initiative. The program focuses on youth participation, sports development and nation building. Khelo India support will bring together youth, sportsmen and leaders to discuss the future ecosystem, Olympic talent, youth leadership and skills and opportunities.
Districts through Thoubal College, we will be discussing in this the main agenda will be regarding the sports infrastructure only. And the ideas of the youth after the PM sentence, the ideas of youth will be taken by the sports person, and the youth can also submit their ideas to the QR code.